Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you all doing today, guys? Happy gardening to everyone. The sun is really hot today. I'm grateful for the sun because when the sun is out, that's when your peppers them start growing and doing great. Yes. So yes, guys, what I'm actually doing today, I'm harvesting some food, which I already harvest some potato, as you can see. Right here we have tomato that we're going and harvest. We have a next one right here. Beautiful. Oh man, they're looking beautiful. So I'm gonna harvest the tomatoes. But what I need to harvest today, I need to harvest callaloo. This is what we call callaloo, guys. It's two different callaloo. This one come from Eddoe leaf. This one come from Eddoe leaf, and there's another one they call Jamaican callaloo. So this is the one we're looking for, guys. This is the one, the young ones that now start rolling out. This is the one we're looking for. I just need enough for me to cook a pot today. Not too much, just enough. So we're only looking for the ones that now start falling in, which is this one right here. You see this one? These are the one we're looking for. These, you could boil these like collards, collard green, boil them up salty. You could do them with okra, boil them up with okra. Man, tasty. Okay. We're only looking for these young ones. How I'm going to cook this? Let me tell you how I'm going to cook these. I'm going to boil them for a little. Then I'm going to blend them up in a blender. Then put them back in the pot to cook. So it's going to be real creamy and nice. Everything blend up soft and nice. You see what one I'm doing? I'm doing only these kinds. This is a patch of Eddoes. I really do not want to bother. I don't want to take these out. I want to see how they grow without I taking out the callaloo from them. I want to see. I have some over there and I have some to the top up there. These are the ones I'm going to be harvesting today. So, okay, this is, you see, this is a nice healthy one right here. If you don't know about callaloo, or you never eat this type of callaloo, you should learn about it. You should do some research about it. It's a very, very good plant. I remember in the old times when my grandparents, like for instance, if a lady trying to, like she have a baby, and you know sometimes a lady make baby and then the milk is not coming out. This is what I know they used to give the woman. Cook these up, and this used to help. My grandmother told me that this used to help produce the milk to flow. So this have a lot of benefit. So this is the Eddoe leaf. Also the dashind leaf is good as well. I just want the young one. Sometimes you could use the older one like this one that's now fall out. But I'm looking for this type. Because this type, when you boil them, man, they mash up in the pot, I'm telling you. We're getting a lot of rain. So because we're getting a lot of rain, the plants them producing, pushing them out so fast. I already harvested some a few days ago, and look how much I already harvest again. These are the ones I'm harvesting, the ones them that not even roll out as yet. They now start to pushing themselves out. These are the ones I'm harvesting. This one again, you see? Okay, this one, if you notice, you're gonna see how they come up, and then they come up like this, then they roll out. So if you get them before they roll out, that's the best time. That's the best time, guys. So harvesting Eddoe leaf. I have some dashind leaf up there. I'm gonna be harvesting as well. So we use the Eddoe leaf. We use the dashind leaf. We also use the Tanya leaf. So let's get up here. Okay. All right. So let's go up this side, guys. Let's go up this side and harvest more. We only get in the small young one, guys. Small young one. So what I'm going to be using these for, I'm going to be using these to make soup. Ital soup. Okay. Let me put them on right here for now. Okay, so let's go. All these are Eddoes, some of them is dashind. So we're just picking out the young, these leaf. Now, if you come over here, you're gonna see we have a lot up here as well. Go all the way back over there. So I'm going and pick them, but I'm not gonna make the video too long, guys. So this is the one we harvest, this one. You could also harvest this one right here, because this one now start unfolding. So this is a pretty young leaf. You don't want to get the old mature one, because they're gonna be more harder. All right, so if you get the young one like this, that's what I'm talking about, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.